Hi, and thanks for joining our webinar today. I'm Uri Adler, partner at the local law firm of Adler and Herbeck. I'm thrilled to host this webinar for folks like you who are considering or are in the process of selling your home. We have built our law firm to provide exceptional benefits and cost savings for home sellers, and I'm excited to share with you part of what makes us special. These are definitely interesting times in the real estate market, but for the moment, it appears that sellers are generally in a good position as inventory levels of available homes remain at historic lows. Today, we are going to go through an abbreviated version of what to expect after you find a buyer, as well as some advantages of hiring Adler and Herbeck as your trusted legal advisors when it comes to selling your home. If you need more information about any part of the process, please call us for a free consultation or check out our website at www.northsidelegal.com, where we have a library of in-depth articles covering everything you hear during this webinar. So, you've listed your property, your realtor, or you, if you're selling by owner, has spoken to different potential buyers, given them walkthroughs, provided them with all of the information that they want to know about the property. You receive an offer that you find acceptable. You let the buyer know that you would like to accept their offer. The first thing that happens is the buyer signs a purchase agreement. This is a more preliminary stage because at this point, the contract enters into a period called attorney review. In Illinois, the attorney review period typically lasts for 5 business days. This is one of the reasons why having an excellent real estate attorney is so important. During this time, we comb through the contract, making sure it's suited to your unique property and situation. For instance, you might want to add in post-closing possession requirements if you plan to stay in the home after closing, or the buyer may wish to add an appraisal contingency. Those items won't always be in the original contract, so we'll add them in. We conduct a title search, which means we connect with a local title company to research the deed of the property and make sure that you hold title free and clear and that you're able to transfer ownership to somebody else. Zoning regulations may be researched to make sure everything is compliant with local law. Most importantly, this is also the time when a home inspection happens. If the buyer's inspector discovers that there are major repairs needed for the home, the buyer may want to negotiate for a credit or to have you repair them. You'd have to decide if you want to go through with that or not. If either the buyer or the seller cancels during the attorney review period, all earnest money is refunded and both parties can walk away from the contract with no repercussions. Once the documents are finalized and the buyer has secured a loan, if they are financing the purchase, the closing can be scheduled. Closing can take as little as 40 minutes, but often takes a couple of hours, depending on circumstances. As the seller, you have the ability to sign ahead of time and turn over the keys without attending the closing in person. The closing involves signing a stack of documents that includes the deed, the closing disclosure, and all of the title documents. This is when the buyer's funds are officially transferred to you and they receive the keys to your home. A big part of the closing, however, are the closing costs. And this is where I'm going to start my pitch in earnest for you to hire Adler and Herbeck as your legal representation. Closing costs is a term that includes all of the fees and expenses associated with closing on a house, such as realtor commissions, transfer taxes, attorney fees, and title fees. These are not included in the sale price. In Illinois, if you are paying the real estate agent's commissions, the seller does end up paying more of the closing costs than the buyer. You can expect to pay anywhere from 5 to 8% of the sale price in closing costs. Adler and Herbeck works in partnership with a title agency called United Settlement Services. Thanks to our affiliation, we are able to offer our clients 50% off of their title fees. On a $500,000 sale, that comes out to a savings of around $1,440. Since title premiums are tied to the sale price of your home, these savings increase for higher priced homes. We have a useful savings calculator on our website at northsidelegal.com on the sellers page that will give you the approximate savings based on the sale price of your home. Most attorneys charge you a flat fee for their services and then send you to a title agency that charges you, say, around $3,000 in title fees. What they don't tell you is that as an agent of the title company, the attorney gets compensated. They're paid a large share of those title fees, known as title fee splits. The result? Title fees need to be high enough for both the attorney and the title company to get paid. We don't do that here. Adler and Herbeck does not accept these title fee splits. Instead, we have coordinated with our affiliate title company to reduce the charges to you, the seller, for both premiums and the other title charges by 50% off of the going rate in our market, instead of paying us any type of commission. What does that mean for you? It means we can offer you, our client, title fees at half the market rate saving you a significant amount of money. What Adler and Herbeck offers is overall savings that just can't be beat anywhere in Illinois. What you do with the extra money from your closing is entirely up to you. Perhaps use it toward the down payment on your next home, take a well-deserved vacation, or just deposit it to your investment or savings account. In addition to the great savings we have to offer, Adler and Herbeck practices exclusively in the area of residential real estate transactions. Our entire team possesses a deep understanding of the nuances and complexities involved in selling a home and in anything that may come up along the way. Many attorneys in our market are general practice attorneys who seem to also handle real estate transactions. They may handle wills, trusts, bankruptcies, business formations, etc. Our select focus on real estate transactions alone provides you with a level of service that will surpass your expectations. We work hard every day to ensure that you experience a streamlined closing process. By entrusting us with your home sale, you can rest easy knowing that seasoned professionals represent your interests every step of the way. We believe in straightforward and transparent pricing. Our all-inclusive flat fee to represent you in a typical home sale is $750. With Adler and Herbeck, there are no hidden costs or surprise charges. You'll know exactly what to expect, allowing you to plan your finances with confidence. When you hire us, we prioritize your needs with unparalleled customer service. You will communicate directly with an attorney. You will always get an answer to your questions. When it comes to closing, you can sign all of the documents at the time and location of your choice. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal. Not to mention, selling a home involves more than just legal matters. It requires a network of reliable professionals, which you get with Adler and Herbeck. Our extensive network of trusted partners includes real estate agents, lenders, inspectors, and other professionals, all of whom are at your disposal. We can connect you with the right people to make your home selling journey seamless and stress-free. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore some of the benefits of choosing Adler and Herbeck as your legal partner for your home sale. By partnering with us, you'll receive specialized experience, substantial title fee savings, a streamlined closing process, transparent pricing, unmatched customer service, and access to our extensive network of industry professionals. If you're ready to start, please reach out to us today for a free consultation. We're ready to discuss your unique situation, answer any questions you may have, and guide you through the next steps. Together, let's make your home sale a resounding success. Our phone number is 847-318-3770. Email is hello@northsidelegal.com, and our website is www.northsidelegal.com. Always feel free to browse our website, where we have published educational articles on the real estate transaction process, a lot of which go into depth about what we discussed here today. I hope to have the opportunity to serve you soon and exceed your expectations. Have a fantastic rest of your day.